Morning. Ngayong umaga, pag-uusapan natin, ano ba talaga ang normal blood sugar? Hi guys, good morning. So, kagigising ko lang ngayon and thank you nga pala for everyone who watched the video and I really appreciate that, the first one that I published. Pero, ngayon, today, I just wanted to make a very quick video kung ano ba talaga yung tamang sugar levels. Kasi naalala ko when I was diagnosed with diabetes, ang unang ni-require sa akin ng doctor is to have a glucometer. So basically, this is the machine that you use para ma-measure yung blood sugar mo at a given time. So this is on top of the guidelines and warnings and cautions na bibigay sa iyo ng doktor. So, without further ado, ito na yung ranges ng blood sugar. 80 to 100, pag yun ang lumabas sa meter mo, so ibig sabihin no, normal ka. So, which is good, no? Which is good. So, a lot of people naman are on that range. Pero pag check mo ng meter mo, tapos you end up with 101 to 125, that means pre-diabetic ka na or pre-diabetes. So that means medyo hindi mo na masyado na burn or na metabolize yung carbs or sugars sa katawan mo. Sabi ng mga experts, pag tumagal daw yun for a few years, it could lead to a full-blown diabetes, which is something na ayaw mong mangyari at ayaw mong marating. Now, pagbasa mo ng meter mo at 126 pataas, that simply means that you have a full-blown diabetes. Okay guys, so before ko tapusin tong video, I just want to give you one additional tip. Pag mag-check ka ng fasting blood sugar mo, you need to make sure na 8 hours kang walang kain. Kasi pag nag-check ka ng fasting blood sugar mo at less than 8 hours, it will never give you an accurate number. So, ang pinaka-ideal na gawin to, na pag-check ng fasting blood sugar mo, is during the morning when you wake up. Now, in the event na hindi naman 8 oras yung tulog mo, parang ako, it takes me about, siguro tutulog ako mga 5-6 hours lang in a day. Minsan pag minalas ako, mga 4 hours lang. Then, just wait for a few more hours before you check your blood sugar. Pero ang pinaka-importante, while waiting, hindi ka kakain. I hope this video helped, kasi nung nag-uumpisa ako, when I first got this disease, struggle ko talaga yung pagbabasa ng meter kasi hindi ko siya alam. I bought the meter, tapos hindi naman ako nag-consult na sa doctor how to read it, so I had to research it first, so I hope you have a full understanding how to read your meter, and please remember that your meter is your best friend, lalo na pag may diabetes ka. I hope that you could share this video to your friends or relatives na may diabetes. I would appreciate it. They would appreciate it. Let's help all those people, yung mga kababayan natin na may sakit na diabetes, to fight this battle. As of 2017, just a quick fun fact, there are 3 million plus Filipinos
Pasti na ang kutsog na kumain ng kubra. Diabetic ka nila.
affected by this disease. Let's help them battle this disease and conquer diabetes. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have